Hey everyone, so I needed to film this video real quick to announce that I'm hosting a car show, and it's on my Instagram and Facebook, but I wanted to make a video so I can post it to YouTube and to some other platforms. So the car show is on September 17th. It's going to be ladies and gentlemen, and it's going to be at the Detail Garage in Carrollton. On-site registration. I'm trying to make a video. On-site registration for the car show. You can let me do this. So I'm announcing the Motive Auto Car Show, September 17th at the Detail Garage in Carrollton, Texas. The on-site registration is from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Judging is from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Awards will start being issued at 6:40. The car show concludes at 8 p.m. There's also going to be a VIP area behind the store in the alley where I plan to have some local celebrities and VIPs. Also, Smoke Some Q will be on site to provide food. The car show is open to all makes and models. So if you have a classic, if you have a muscle car, if you have a lowrider, it doesn't matter what type of vehicle that you have, motorcycles, cars, trucks, exotics. There will be trophies for several different categories. During the car show, there will be special in-store discounts at the address is 2810 East Trinity Mills Road in Carrollton. The Detail Garage is Suite 130. Car show registration is $25 per vehicle. There will be a food vendor. There will be die-cast car vendors. There will be plenty of spectator parking. I do have some local car culture celebrities lined up to make appearances. I want those to be a surprise on the day of, so you just have to show up and find out who came to the car show. I have a flyer that I can put out as part of this video. So if you are available and would like to come out and participate in the car show, again, it is September 17th. That's a Sunday. The location is Detail Garage in Carrollton. The admission fee for the show is $25 per car. Spectators are free. There will be food. There will be a raffle. There will be in-store discounts. There will be trophies for the car show. There will be a VIP area. There are some special guests that will be signing autographs and making appearances in the VIP area behind the store in the alley. So if you're a member of Car Culture and DFW, this is your invitation from the host to come out and be a part of the Motive Auto Car Show at Detail Garage in Carrollton on September 17th.